Alright, so Samsung's already had a busy year with the Galaxy S25 series and their new foldables hitting the market. You'd think they'd be winding down for 2025, right? Well, not exactly. Samsung's still got more hardware surprises lined up and things are about to get pretty interesting. Rumors are heating up about their first ever trifold phone possibly launching later this year. Yeah, we've heard whispers for a while, but it's finally starting to feel real. But wait, there's more. Samsung's Fan Edition lineup is due for a refresh. And if that wasn't enough, their tablet division is also getting ready to drop new devices. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is on the horizon, and we're now getting some solid leaks about what to expect. Thanks to a fresh certification listing out of Finland, we now know there are 3 versions of the S11 Ultra in the works. You've got the S11 936B, which will likely be the global 5G model, the S11 936N for Korea, and the S11 930, which is expected to be a Wi-Fi-only version. Classic Samsung, nothing out of the ordinary there. Now about the specs. The Tab S11 Ultra is rumored to house an 11,600 mAh battery. That's a modest upgrade from the S10 Ultra's 11,200 mAh. But here's the kicker, charging speeds are still stuck at 45 watts. Boost, no surprises. This might disappoint folks who are hoping Samsung would bring faster charging to their top-tier tablets, especially after hearing that the S26 Ultra might finally get an upgrade in that department. Storage and RAM details have also started to leak. According to Mystery Lupin, the standard Galaxy Tab S11 will feature 12 gigs of RAM across all models. Storage will start at 128 with options for 256 and 512 gigs. As for the S11 Ultra, it's sticking with 12 gigs RAM, but you'll only get 256 and 512 gigs storage configurations. No 1TB version this time. Color-wise, don't expect anything wild, just gray and silver. But here's a little unexpected twist. Samsung is reportedly reviving the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. This Lite version is expected to run on the Exynos 1380 with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It's a pretty basic setup, but there's a new coral red color option that might catch some eyes along with gray and silver variants. The rest of the specs, still under wraps, but insiders say it'll be a slight step up from the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 edition. Now looking at the bigger picture, Samsung seems to be playing it safe with these tablets. Small battery improvements, no significant changes in charging speeds, and the usual storage configurations. For some, that's enough. For others, it might feel like Samsung's just coasting this year in the tablet space. But what do you think? Are these small upgrades enough to get you excited? Or are you hoping for something more groundbreaking from Samsung's next-gen tablets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.